So today I want us to discuss area of a sector of a circle. So this is a sector. These are the features of a sector. So a sector has a radius, two radius. Then this is theta or angle. So this is the formula. Area of a sector is equals to theta over 360 pi r squared. Theta over 360 pi r squared. So theta represents angle, r represents radius. Theta for angles, r represents radius. So I want us to do example 1. Example 1, I have said theta represent angle, e.g. 140 degrees, 90 degrees, etc. R represent radius. So example 1, you work out the area of a sector of a circle. So a sector of a circle, this is 7 centimeters and this is 72 degrees. So step 1, write the formula for calculating area of a sector. So area of a sector is equivalent to theta over 360 pi r squared. So this is the formula. So what is our theta? Our theta is the angle. I said theta represents the angle. So angle 72 degrees. Radius represent 7 centimeters. Substitute. So area of a sector is equals to theta, which is 72 over 360 times pi, 22 over 7, times radius, which is 7 squared. So work out. So you take 72 over 360 times 22 over 7 times 7 times 7. So I got area of a sector as 34 over 5 centimeters squared. So this is the final answer. So as you can see, step 1, identify the value of theta. Next, identify radius. Next, you solve the equation by using the formula. Example 2, we are given the area of this sector. So the area of this sector is 231 centimeters squared, and the radius is 21 centimeters. Now the question is find the angle. So step 1, write the formula. So area of a sector is equals to theta over 360 pi r squared. After that, substitute. So area of a sector is 231 is equals to our theta over 360 times pi, 22 over 7, times radius, which is 21 times 21. Next, you work out this part. So you take 22 over 7 times 21 times 21. So 231 is equals to theta over 360 times 1386. After getting that, the other step is you convert the two whole numbers to a fraction. And we normally convert a whole number by writing it as over 1 over 1. After that, we focus on this part. So we start with numerator. Our numerator is theta times 1386. So times we get 1386 theta over denominator, which is 360 times 1. 360 is equals to 231 over 1. Next, cross multiply. So we are going to have 360 times 231 is equals to 1386 theta. Then make theta the subject. So divide both sides by 1386. You divide both sides by 1386. You simplify. So as you can see, theta is equals to, you work out this part. So it is 360 times 231, then divide by 1386. And I got my theta as 60 degrees. So as you can see, identify the formula, which is theta over 360 times pi r squared. After getting the formula, you substitute the area, then the radius. Then after getting that, you solve this part, 22 over 7 times 21 times 21, which is 1386. After getting that, you convert the whole number to a fraction by dividing it by 1. So you write it as over 1. For that, you cross multiply. For that, you get the value of theta. Next question. We have a sector, and this sector, the area of this sector is 18.48 centimeters squared, and theta is 120 degrees. And now the question is, work out the radius of a sector. So step 1, you write the formula. So area of a sector is equals to theta over 360 pi r squared. So this is the formula. Next, we substitute. Area of a sector is 18.48 is equals to theta. Theta is 120, and I said theta is the same as angle. So 120 over 360 times pi 22 over 7 times radius. We don't have the value of r, so we write it as r squared. We solve this part. So you take 120 over 360 times 22 over 7. So I got 22 over 21 r squared is equals to 18.48. After that, you convert the whole number to a fraction. So this one is the same as over 1, then over 1. We solve this part. So you take 22 times r squared. It is 22 r squared over denominator. You take 21 times 1 is 21. Then is equivalent to 18.48 over 1. Next, we cross multiply. So you take 18 18.48 times 21 is equals to 22 r squared. Make r squared the subject, so it is 18.48 times 21 over 22. So you divide. So you take 18.48 times 21, then divide by 22, then you find the square root. So r squared is equals to 17.64. Find the value of r. So you divide, find the square root, find the square root. So r is equals to, when you find the square root of 17.64, you get is 4.2. 4.2. So radius is 4.2 centimeters. So that is the end of area of a sector. That is the end of area of a sector. Kindly share and subscribe to my